It is with great pleasure and honor that I warmly welcome you to the Republic of Somaliland, Mr. Minister. Your visit carries historic significance and marks an important milestone in evolving relationship between the Republic of Somaliland and the State of Israel. It reflects not only political recognition, but also a shared commitment to transform that recognition into a substantive, forward-looking, and strategic partnership. Somaliland values this partnership highly and approaches.
It's an honor to be in Hargeisa on this historic visit. Thank you, Mr. President, for your personal invitation and gracious hospitality. Over the past year, relations between Israel and Somaliland have taken shape. I want to thank you for your close partnership and visionary leadership. I also want to praise Prime Minister Netanyahu for his decision and leadership.